you bought the Oracle Lighting Vector Grill, there's a strong chance you're going to want to paint this to match the color of your Jeep. It's pretty simple to disassemble, so let's go ahead and take a look at the process. First, let's go ahead and remove the headlight harness. You'll notice that the headlight harness has 4 outputs that connect to the LED emitters. Go ahead and unplug these. The high and low beam plugs are keyed differently and cannot be mixed up, so don't worry about marking them. When reassembling the grill, add a dab of the dielectric grease to the contacts. Looking from the back, locate the driving beam towards the outside part of the grill. You'll notice that there are 4 Phillips screws, as well as this vertical screw here. This is your beam level adjusting screw. By tightening the screw, we can adjust the beam up, and loosening it goes down. This comes from Oracle already level, so you don't need to adjust unless you lifted your Jeep or added larger tires. Go ahead and remove those and set them to the side. Now we can remove the low beams. These are the small lights across the bottom of the grill. Remove the 4 screws and set the light to the side. You'll notice that there are 2 cylindrical spacers underneath. Remove these and put them in a safe space. These rubber insulators compress when installed, allowing you to angle the low beam. When you reinstall the low beams, you'll need to tighten these until the light becomes level, then angle the light down slightly. You can check this by shining the light on a wall from 25 feet away. Next, let's remove the high beam. You'll see it's held in with 3 Phillips screws and does not have a spacer. You can, however, use the spacer included with the grill if you wish to adjust the angle of the high beam. Now we can remove the DRL module. This is held in with adhesive, so give this a gentle pry, being sure not to tug on the connectors. With this remove, we can unplug the signal and DRL. Again, these have specific plugs, so you cannot mix up the wiring. Remember to add a dab of dielectric grease when you reconnect. Now that you've taken all the lights out, repeat the disassembly process on the opposite side, and you'll be primed for painting. The last components are the DRL and turn signal modules. Do not remove these, since there's a chance of causing damage to the lens and internal circuit board. It's best to leave these parts in the grill and tape over them to prevent overspray. Remember to pull off the tape first before you clear coat to give your grill a more consistent finish. For more information, check out oraclelights.com/vector or give us a call at 1-800-407-5776. Be sure to search for us online, #OracleLights.